Hey guys, I'm back for another video. It's been a while, but there hasn't been new Amiibos lately except today. I'll get to that in a minute. I also got 5 new monster trucks, which I won't unbox in this video, but this is mainly focused on the 2 Amiibos here. And I'm in a different place because it's a hotel, because my house is getting tinted anyway. So today, here's Joker from Persona 5 and Hero from Dragon Quest. I'm so excited. So here's Joker. I remember when I first bought him, I was excited, and I started using him all the time. One of my friends, he uses him all the time, and he always kicks my ass. Anyway, ow! I'll just open it. Sorry if I'm a little distracted and Practical Joker is on. Anyway, here he is. Check it out. There's Joker. And no, it's not Batman Joker. Focus. There you go. I don't know much about Persona 5, but I really like using Joker in Smash. So here he is. Nice. My twin brother will love that. And then here's Hero from Dragon Quest. And also I hear yesterday Steve got announced for Minecraft, so I'm excited for that. Damn it. Because I don't get the Amiibos as often, because I have almost all of them. Well, Smash Bros. At least. Sweet! And here's Hero. Take a look. At first I actually thought it was a girl, but I know, he's a guy. So, there you go. Joker and Hero. And I'll see you guys in the next video.